Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for some talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And today, let's go ahead and educate you more with Hakka proverbs and idioms. 我们这次呢要让自己的知识呢更广、更深奥。来，请 Leo 教我们一句谚语好了。
没问题。
今天有没有什么有趣的谚语呢？因为有的时候谚语不只是让你知识更深，而且它很好玩，有时候很风趣。
我今天来教大家的这句谚语呢，叫做“人開人，牛唧唧；天開人，100骨”。
听起来就很有趣耶！I like the sound of it。什么拧嗨拧，什么扭鸡鸡，然后什么100滚，是不是？
对。
再讲一次，我们一句一段那样子，我们把它分析。Let's break it down for you. It sounds very interesting and funny at the same time, but I'm sure it's very meaningful.
人開人，牛唧唧；
拧嗨拧，扭鸡鸡；
天開人，100骨。
天開人100棍，所以拧開人是
國語的意思就是人害人。
Okay, 人害人 That means when someone is trying to hurt another person.
後面那句的意思就是肥滋滋。
肥滋滋原来解答了。OK， 什么扭鸡鸡就是肥滋滋，所以你害一个人，让他肥滋滋啊。反而让他肥起来了。
没有，其实这句话的意思就是说，你再怎么算计人啊，有时候呢还是不会照你想的那样子。但是呢，后面那句叫做“天害人100棍”。
我知道了。天害人的时候，刚刚是人害人嘛，现在如果是天害人，哇，那就命中注定了，
那就很惨了，会变成瘦到剩下一把骨头。
了解，其实是警惕大家了哈。
对，就是我们要心存善念，对。你看人算，你再怎么算啊，绝对算不过天。
I see. Okay, good call. Well, let's hear this explanation in English.
One Hakka proverb states, "If you try to harm someone, they may grow plump."If heaven tries to harm someone, they'll be reduced to skin and bones. This proverb means if you try to hurt your opponent, you may end up helping them instead. In other words, it's best to avoid getting involved in arguments. Much better to leave revenge for the gods.
And let's have Leo read it out one more time. 这句谚语叫做
人害人，牛唧唧；天害人，100骨。
And now you know what this means. There you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.